In our previous class, we had talked about organization which is required for enhancement of sales and customers, meeting the customer's demands. We talked of various factors. Today, we will talk about customers' complaints, customers' expectations, and customers' handling of the customer's complaint. The customer complains when his expectations are not being met. When you or someone else in your organization was rude, indifferent, or discourteous to him. He complains when he feels that he was not listened to. He was told by a staff member something which he thought was wrong. Whether it is wrong or not is yet to be ascertained. He is suspicious and he feels that your organization is dishonest. He feels that he was not listened to. He acted on instructions which are wrong. Now, these are some of the reasons why the customer can complain. Now, let us see what are the customer's demands, customer's expectations. Customer wants knowledgeable help, help by which he can come to a decision, help in the demonstration of equipment, help in comparison of features. He wants friendliness. He wants a person who can interact with him, who can give him the due feeling of comfort, due regard of his as a visitor, and who can, instead of being sullen, help him to come to a decision. There are occasions when very many irrelevant questions are asked, but it's part of a salesperson's duty to remain friendly and to maintain the atmosphere of friendliness. The customer expects him to that he should be kept informed about the product, about the latest alternatives, latest techniques, and latest technologies coming in the market. He expects a complete service at one place. The service can be right from initial meeting, greeting, to complete follow through till the sales are over. He expects honesty from the salesperson. He expects feedback so that he knows about the product which he bought earlier. Should he buy the same product? Have some defects come out in that product? Is there going to be shortage of the product in times to come? So that is the feedback which he is looking at. Then he expects professional service. Professional service means where the information is provided which can help him to solve a problem. Information is provided which can maintain the equipment to the useful life, to make the equipment run properly and effectively. He wants empathy. Empathy means the person should be tolerant. Person should be able to create a bond of his knowledge and the knowledge of the customer. They should be able to interact at the same level. The customer wants respect. He naturally feels that he is the boss and he is dictating short. So let him feel that. Now, these first we talked about the customer's complaint, then we talked about customers' expectations. Purposely, I have taken it in a different manner so that you will know as to why a customer is being angry. So question is now, how do you deal with the complaints? In dealing with complaints, you have to be very calm, collected, patient. You have to ask open-ended question so that complete picture comes in front of you, so that you can appreciate the customer's point of view and you can appreciate the actions of the salesperson. These can only be available if you were to ask open questions like why, when did this happen, how did this happen, where did this happen, which of the product you feel was not okay, which of the service you feel was lacking, can you please explain? So this is some of the ways salesperson must deal with the customer. Patience, calm, listening, very, very important. Handling complaints. Handling complaints also, a person should act quickly, do not waste time, professional response should be there, and the reassure the customer that we will look into the matter completely. Thank those who complain. Thank those because you can tell them that we are happy that you are helping us to upgrade our services and our offerings. So customers' attitude becomes a little more softened. Let them vent their complaints. A person will shout, and then it become calm. Let him have his say. Do not interrupt. Give your side of version only when it is relevant. Track customer's complaint. Customer's complaints must be tracked so that when he calls later on, there is a feeling of satisfaction in him that his concerns have been looked up. Now, why have we been dealing with complaints and handling complaints and making such a thing about it? It is because we want to retain a customer. I will talk to you about customer retention in my next class. Thank you so much. Keep listening to the videos and you will not go wrong.